Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate Copy.ai workflows for scalable marketing content automation step by step clearly. To activate Copy.ai workflows for scalable marketing content automation, start by logging into your Copy.ai account. Navigate to the dashboard where you will find the various tools available for content creation. Select the Workflows option from the main menu. Click on the Create New Workflow button. Choose a relevant template based on your marketing needs. Input the title for your workflow to easily identify it later. Begin by adding your first task within the workflow. Select the type of content you want to generate, such as blog posts, social media updates, or ad copies. Provide any necessary details and parameters for the content required. Click Generate to create the content for your first task. Review the generated content and make any adjustments if needed. Once satisfied, simply save the task to your workflow. Proceed to add more tasks by repeating the content generation process. After finishing all tasks, organize them in the workflow according to your preferred sequence. Set deadlines and assign responsibilities if collaborating with a team. Verify that all tasks align with your marketing goals and messaging. Finally, activate the workflow to start automating your content generation process. Monitor the results and make necessary adjustments to optimize performance over time. Utilizing Copy.ai workflows will enhance your marketing efficiency and streamline your content creation efforts. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.